Hello friends, in this video we are going to see shortcuts in MS Word. To work faster on MS Word document, you need a shortcuts. So there are shortcuts with a control key from A to Z. Now let's see one by one. What is Ctrl A? If you want to select all the content in your document, then you have to press Ctrl plus A, then it will select whole document like this. So selecting all the content in your document, you need a control key. And if you want to deselect the content, only thing what you have to do is just click outside the selection like this. Next one is the Control plus B. To make a bold of any text, just select that text, click Control plus B. You can see the bold here and the bold is highlighted over here. Now if you want to remove it, there are two ways. If you have just done the bold, you can press directly Ctrl Z and it will remove. But you have already done somewhere else in your document and now you want to remove it, then what you have to do, again Ctrl plus B and it will be removed. Next one is the Ctrl plus C, copy. So if you want to copy any content in your document, then select that text, press Ctrl C. Now this copy will go with Ctrl V. Now whenever you copy something, you have to paste that content. For that you have to press Ctrl plus V. That means the copied item is pasted over here. So Ctrl C works with Ctrl V. Next one is the Ctrl D. Now whenever I want to change the font style whichever I am writing, I have to press Ctrl D and the dialog box open like this. From here you can select any font style, size, even different effects, and you can apply it to your text. Next one is the center align. Now if I want to align this portion in the center of my page, then I have to click Control E. Now here you can see it is in the center. Next one is the find. If you want to find anything or any content or any word within your document, then you have to press Control F. The navigation pane will open. From here you can find anything, like if I want to search new, then it will search for me a new like this. So how many times it is going to come, it will show me here a list. When you done with that, you can close that and you can go back to your work. Next one is the go to. Now when you press Ctrl plus G, it will open a dialog box like this. Now if you want to go to what, if you have a multiple pages in your document, you can go to the multiple pages. If you have a sections, you can go. If you have a line, bookmarks, comments, footnotes, just select that option and select the number. Like if I have the 2 or 3 pages here like this, you can see I have a 4 pages now in my document. Now I have to, whenever I want to go to the 4 page, I have to scroll it down like this. Now I will write something on this 4th page, hello, like this. And now I want to go to the 4th page. Very simple thing, just press Ctrl G, select the page and select the 4 and go to. You can see it directly goes to the page number 4. In this way you can directly go to the page number 1, just select one and go. In this way you can go to any page, any section like this. Next one is the replace. For that there is a shortcut key, Ctrl plus H. Now if you want to replace anything with any other word, you can type which word you want to replace and which word you want to replace with. So if I want to replace new with like this, new, and it will first find and replace all. So in this way it will show you word has completed. Next one is the italic. For that you have to select the text, press Ctrl and I, it will convert to the italic. Now if you want to remove that, then one way is you have just done a italic, you can press Ctrl+Z, but you have done the italic before in your content, then you have to press Ctrl I again and it will come to the normal text. Next one is the justify. For that I will need one paragraph. I will take random. This is a one shortcut to insert a random paragraph in your document. So now here you can see I have a paragraph with me which is not a justified. So justify means there is a no space from left and the right margin. So I have to select the text and I have to press Ctrl J. Now here you can see it is properly aligned, not like this. So that is the use of justify. Next one is the hyperlink. If you want to insert a hyperlink to any word, you have to select that word and press Ctrl+K and it will open a dialog box for inserting a hyperlink. To know more about a hyperlink, there is a separate video available on our channel. You can watch that. Next one is the left. Now the same paragraph we will select and we will use Ctrl L. It will shift to the left side. Next one is the paragraph indent. Now if you want to press Ctrl M, it will shift like this. If I am pressing Ctrl M like this, it is going to be on the right hand side. Next one is the new file. If you want to open a new file within a document like this, currently I am working on this document and now I want to open a new document, then I will press Ctrl N and it will open a new document. Here you can see document 1 and a new document opens. Now if I open a new document like this and I want to save that document, I have to just press Ctrl S. Once I press a Ctrl S, it will ask me the file name. I will put some file name over there and I will save it. So that is the use of Ctrl S. Next one is the print. Now if I want to print a document which I have, so I have to just press Ctrl P and it will show me the print layout where I can select the options whichever I require and I can print it. So that is the use of Ctrl+P. Next one is the clear paragraph indent. Now just now we have seen the how to create a indent. Now if I want to remove the indent of this paragraph, I have to press Ctrl Q and it will be removed in a one click. So that is the use of Ctrl Q. Now the Ctrl R. If you want to move your to the right, then Ctrl R and it will move to the right hand side. Next one is the save file. You have to just press Ctrl and S and it will be saved. If you have already given some name to your document, it will save directly. Here in the status bar you can see a bar like this and it will process. And if you are not given any name, then it will ask you what name you want to insert. Next one is the hanging indent. Now if I use the hanging indent, what I will do, I will make it properly like this. Now what is the shortcut for hanging indent? Ctrl+T. So I will press a Ctrl+T. Now here you can see only the first line is there and the other lines are moving in the indent format. So that is the use of hanging indent. Next one is the underline. Just select the text and press the Ctrl U and it will underline the text whichever you have selected. If you want to remove it, just press Ctrl U again and it will remove. Now the paste, which we have already seen in the Ctrl C. whenever you copy anything like Ctrl+C, then you have to paste it somewhere else. Then you have to press Ctrl+V. Like this, it will paste whichever text you have copied. Next one is the close file. Now I have one file with me. I want to close it. So there is a one way, that is a closing from this corner, but there is also a shortcut key, that is a Ctrl+W. So I will press Ctrl+W and it will be closed. Next one is the cut. Now cut will also go with a paste. So if I want to cut this, so I have to press Ctrl+X and it will cut. And now I want to paste that same thing, so I will press Ctrl+V. So copy and the cut both will goes with the Ctrl+V, that is a paste. Next one is the redo. Now if I want to do a redo whatever I have done just now, so I will press Ctrl+Y. It will do this whichever thing I have just cut. Next one is the undo. So if anything I have done here like this A B C D like this, and I have colored it and I have changed the color of it, increased the font. Now I don't want it, so I will press Ctrl+Z. How many times you can press till you get the original text. So if you want to do undo, there is a key Ctrl+Z. So in this way you can see we have a shortcuts from key A to key Z with a control button. So every alphabet has a shortcut in MS Word. Just press a control and start pressing A, B, C to Z, and you will get a different shortcuts. These are the shortcuts very useful when you work on a big document, and it will save your time. Thank you.